The YoungMonic professional alto saxophone delivers performance capability suitable for students and experienced musicians through quality brass construction, enabling professional-grade tone quality and intonation stability. The complete full kit, including mouthpiece, carrying case, straps, and 10 reeds, provides comprehensive beginner readiness. The professional engineering ensures smooth key operation and responsive playing characteristics. The comprehensive accessories enable immediate performance without requiring separate purchases. We share by links in description box. The 10-reed package accommodates embouchure variation and reed strength preferences. The durable construction ensures reliable performance throughout intensive practice and performance use. The professional-grade mouthpiece provides quality sound production. The convenient carrying case protects instrument during transportation. The included straps facilitate secure instrument retention. The complete package philosophy eliminates frustrating missing component complications. The excellent feature integration provides remarkable value. The straightforward assembly enables immediate performance readiness. The outstanding value combining professional construction, complete accessory package, and comprehensive reed variety establishes this saxophone as exceptional choice for aspiring musicians.